Today we want to talk a little bit about goldenrod as not only a wild edible, but a very, very powerful and beneficial wild medicinal herb. Goldenrod gets a bad rap for being an allergen because it blooms around the same time that ragweed does, but it's actually very good for allergies. It's easy to identify. It makes these little flowers that look kind of like a bunch of tiny little sunflowers on it. And the leaves are very offset, long leaves. They come off the stalk, very easy for harvesting. This is how I do it. Makes it very easy to identify what it is. It grows everywhere. It's very prolific. It's extremely medicinal, and it's just a very handy herb to have dried up for the winter, for teas, help you get through those colds and sore throats.
The Latin name for goldenrod is solidago, which means to heal. The goldenrod is a beautiful early fall bloomer. Its leaves and flowers can be prepared as a tea, made into tinctures, jellies, or taken orally as an herbal medicine or dietary supplement. Goldenrod is great for improving all aspects of urinary tract health and reducing inflammation. Goldenrod is abundant in beneficial plant compounds that promote detoxification, reduce inflammation, the healing and repair of internal organs, and a healthy immune system. These compounds include saponins and flavonoid antioxidants, like quercetin and kaempferol. Saponins are plant compounds that are believed to be particularly effective in inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast like Candida. Studies have also shown that saponins produce anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects in the body. The flavonoid antioxidants, quercetin and kaempferol in a goldenrod help protect your cells from the free radicals that we are daily exposed to from the chemical, radiological, and electromagnetic pollution from our environment, and also from diseases and even some medications. Free radical damage is a factor in many chronic conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, long COVID, and cancer. Amazingly, the antioxidant activity found in the humble, unassuming goldenrod is actually more than what you would find in green tea or vitamin C. Goldenrod can be used as an herbal diuretic. It increases circulation, allowing for more blood and oxygen to be carried to various parts of the body, causing overall wellness, promoting healing, and increased energy. It has traditionally been used in folk medicine for centuries to treat things like pain, muscle spasms, bacterial and fungal infections, diabetes, rheumatism, and other inflammatory diseases, or on the skin to heal wounds. Though goldenrod is often mistaken for ragweed and blamed for seasonal allergies, they are not the cause of your cold. It can actually be used to help to treat it. The flavonoids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties found in goldenrod can help to relieve the symptoms of seasonal allergies and speed up recovery from flu and colds. But perhaps the most well-known use for goldenrod is in the treatment of urinary tract and kidney health. It is often used to improve UTI, help with kidney stones, and prevent excess fluid retention. Goldenrod is not only easy to identify and very abundant, it is very helpful as a medicinal herb or dietary supplement.